Hi guys, I am adding a dripping line from a water dripping system, water line. That line is right here. This line right here. So I'm gonna make the hole right here and add a line like this, and then I'll bring it over here to this plant right here. Because this part of the plant is drying. It dried, so I guess it's not enough water. So I'm gonna use this. I use this pressure compensating dripper, and it's 2 gallon per hour. And this is the 1/4 inch vinyl micro tubing for the dripping line. And then this is the stake, and this is the 1/4 inch bobbed tee right here. So I will punch the hole maybe right here. Put the hole right here. Then I use this one right here. This right here. I'll put it in here. In this hole right here. Okay, push this in. And make sure you push it in really hard, because it's really hard to push it in. And it's best to do it when the weather outside is warm, so the holes can flex. It's easy to push in, or you can use a little bit of motor oil. That's easy to slide it in. And I'm gonna put the line under here. Take it in, put some dirt down. So 2 gallon per hour dripper head. Okay, 2 gallon per hour. Okay, so I just hook up the 2 gallons per hour dripping head, and then this is the tubing stake. I'm gonna put right here, just like that. And I'm gonna put it somewhere right in the bush. Yeah, right here. And that's it. That's done. Thank you for watching, guys. You guys have a good day. And in the future I will put a lot of videos and do it yourself videos online. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again. Bye bye.